Hello guys, welcome again. So for week 3, you have to do one file out of the 10 files that it's available for you guys. I'll show you how to do them and you guys just pick one and upload that one. I'm giving you time to catch up and do your assignments of week 1 and week 2 if you haven't done so. Please guys, do them. Alright, so today we'll be working on chapter 1, practice 1, so click on it, it will download. Again, it's recommended desktop or laptop. On tablets it could be done, but it's a little bit harder. So we click on the file, it downloads. Don't forget to click enable editing. So the instructions for this one's it's basically the video guides. There's no book or nothing. Basically here you got to look at the video and then you follow along and do the exercise yourself. All right, so in order to do this exercise correctly, sorry, I'm just making the screen a little bit the size of the video so you guys are able to see it and you know which cells I'm talking about. All right. So in here, guys, basically we have to get the total points. You're like, well, what do I do? Just click on the auto sum. Simple as that. It's gonna add from C4 all the way to G4. I know you don't want to be struggling. Double click, grab, and copy it all the way downward. Semester average. Just because it says the word average is not the average function. It won't be like that. Here we have to use this cell, the point threshold grading as the point threshold, sorry. So the maximum number of points a student could achieve in this term, in this class, would be 400 points for this example. So here the student has 269 points out of 400. So what do? Your formula, 269 divided out of 400. If you don't put a log to the 400, you won't be able to copy the formula. You see, you're going to get an error. So what do? When you're doing the formula, the 269 divided by the 400, make sure you press the F4 key on a desktop, laptop's function F4. So the dollar signs appear to the left of the C, to the left of the numbers as well. Doing the correct log, you should be able to copy it and move it downward. That's it. Class average, just click on the averages, select the right amount of cells, press enter, and voila, you have it. And you just completed this file in a couple of seconds. Yes, that's simple. A little bit extra, so you could get an idea of what Module 4 is about. Another cool thing to do in Excel would be graphs. So here, it's very important to select the label, which would be student, all the way to Taub. And I'm just gonna do the semester average because I don't want all that information in between. I press the control key while I select. Now you should be able to go to insert, sorry, blanked out. Under insert, should go to the buttons of the graphs and choose a graph of your choice, bar, line, 3D, pick one. And out of that info, you have a chart to illustrate that same information. You could grab it and move it to the side, downward, wherever you have to. Write your name in a blank cell, in the header, in the footer, wherever you want, save it. Well, let's do it. So remember, you're gonna have to click File, you're gonna have to click Save or Save As. I'm saving mine on the desktop so it's easier to find and manipulate. Same name if you want to, or a name you will remember. If it's an older version, that's fine. That's when I created them, so you might have to click on the compatibility mode or etc. If it doesn't, don't worry. You could close it. So now when you go back to your file, let me change the view to be in the student view. So now under week 3, I'm going to click where it says week 3 upload section. This one will close on Sunday, guys, because you just have to do a file. I'm going to click Add Submission. You can move this screen, scroll down a little bit to the side. You can move the screen a little bit to the side, not that much. That's good enough, where you're able to see the file you just did. Here's my file. I just grab it, and you place it above. You can make the screen bigger again, back to normal, and you can click Save Changes. That's it. That's how you upload it, guys. And that's one file. That's pretty much what you had to do for this week. I'm going to do all of them. I hope you see all the videos so you know, get better uses of an Excel. All right. Thank you, guys. See you later.